Hello everyone. Picture a pressure cooker on the verge of exploding. This is often how stress feels. Now, imagine having a release valve that can manage that pressure effectively. What if you could master techniques to keep stress in check and maintain your calm? By the end of this lecture, you'll understand the impact of stress on your mind and body, key strategies for managing stress, how to create a personalized stress management plan. Let's discuss the impact of stress on your mind and body. Stress is the body's natural response to challenging situations. While it can sometimes be beneficial, chronic stress can have negative effects on both your mental and physical health. Example, consider a student facing final exams. A moderate amount of stress can motivate them to study, but excessive stress can lead to anxiety, sleep disturbances, and poor performance. Physical effects of stress. Chronic stress can lead to various health problems, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and weakened immune function. Real-world story. Many professionals in high-stress jobs, like emergency responders, report higher incidences of heart-related issues due to prolonged exposure to stress. Psychological effects of stress. Stress can also affect mental health, leading to anxiety, depression, and burnout. It can impair cognitive functions such as memory and concentration. Example, employees experiencing workplace stress may find it difficult to focus, leading to decreased productivity and increased errors. Let's move on and talk about how to create a personalized stress management plan. Identify stressors. Start by identifying the main sources of stress in your life. This awareness is the first step towards managing them effectively. Example, keep a stress journal to track your stressors and your reactions to them. This can help you identify patterns and areas to address. Develop healthy coping mechanisms. Replace unhealthy coping mechanisms, such as excessive screen time or substance use, with healthier alternatives like exercise, hobbies, or spending time in nature. Real-world story. Many people have found solace in new hobbies, such as gardening or painting, as a way to cope with stress during difficult times. Set realistic goals. Set achievable goals for managing stress. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. Analogy. Think of stress management as a marathon, not a sprint. Small, consistent steps lead to long-term success. Seek professional help. If stress becomes overwhelming, seeking help from a mental health professional can provide valuable support and guidance. Example, therapists and counselors can offer strategies and tools tailored to your specific needs, helping you develop effective stress management skills. Closing thoughts. Managing stress is an ongoing process, but with the right tools and strategies, you can maintain calm and resilience in the face of life's challenges. Assignment. Choose one stress management strategy we discussed today and incorporate it into your daily routine. Make it fun by turning it into a daily ritual, like a relaxing tea time, a mindful walk in nature, or a creative activity like drawing or dancing. At the end of the week, reflect on how this strategy has impacted your stress levels and overall well-being. Recommended resources. For further reading, I recommend the Relaxation and Stress Reduction Workbook by Martha Davis, Elizabeth Robbins Eshelman, and Matthew McKay. This book offers practical exercises and techniques for managing stress.